Ever waited for a print to finish, only to get a warped, broken part with spots that won't come off? It's often not the printer's fault, it's the design. Today, I'll review 5 design rules you can't break to skyrocket your success rate.
Rule number 1. Don't challenge minimum wall thickness. Thin walls or 8 Mara top reason for failure. Solution. Keep walls above 1.0 mm for strength and printability. Rule number 2. Don't ignore thermal stress. Large flat areas warp like chips. Solution. Add support ribs and fillets to break up large areas and resist warping. Rule number 3. Don't design trapped supports. Supports inside enclosed volumes are forever stuck. Solution. Design at least one 5mm powder removal hole for any hollow structure. Rule number 4. Don't print precision threads. Printed threads are weak and inaccurate. Solution. Print a smooth bore and use CNC tapping for 100% thread strength and accuracy.
The best designs are a cooperation between design and manufacturing. Before committing to a full build, why not get a free design review? Email your 3D model to hello@unionfab.com with DFM analysis in the subject. Our engineers will provide a DFM report and optimization advice in 24 hours. Thanks for watching. See you next time.